Enjoy the video.
Hello everybody, welcome to Lifeboat Zombie Apocalypse. Before this video begins, right on the screen right now is the server address for a direct connection to Lifeboat Zombie Apocalypse. So go check this out when you have the chance. It really helps. You don't have to go through the Lifeboat lobby anymore once you have this server address. So anyways, back to normal programming from here. Alright, so now we're back. I did actually start this video right after the round started, so I may be behind a little bit in points. I'm just trying to stay un-oofed right now. We're more than halfway to getting oofed, so we're just gonna try and stay alive here while at the same time trying to get plenty of points. So here we go. You always gotta be in first place. Are there any mobs left? No. Oh wait, yes there is. There's a skeleton, there's some cave spiders here with some area damage. That's good, good. Oh jeez, area damage, ignite, and life drain. Wow. All applied at the same time to get me oofed. Someone already oofed just a second ago. But we're gonna get oofed soon too. Alright, so now we have regeneration too, that's good. Alright, so Chopper. 7,855 leaves with a score of 31. Let's catch up to that. We have a score of 24, which isn't horrible, but you know we can always get better. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so some creepers right here. I'm just gonna try and get as many kills as I can. Some handy dandy life drain. A zombie there, that's good. Now most of the mobs are all the way over here. Just hopping all over creation here. Alright, come on, we can do this, we can do this. Oh! That's not good. Someone almost just oofed. That's not good at all. Good. Come on. Come on. And kaboom. Some speed. I wonder if you could actually get your coordinates in this game, or will it? I don't know. Can we do that? Hang on. Come on. Get, pose. Oh my goodness, we can! Oh wow. We have a really high X coordinate, though. Look at that. 9,364. That's a lot. Some life drain. I never liked the cave spiders here. And we lead with a score of 67. Let's go. We are gods here. Let's get some, we're gonna get some leggings. And there we go. This is us now. Yay. Alrighty then. Oh yeah, check that out. Humans versus zombies up there. Players versus zombies here in Minecraft. Players versus mobs. Notice how not all these mobs are necessarily zombies. For instance, we have some creepers in there. Also have some custom mobs too. Alright, stab it. Come on, I need 2 of you, thank you. Alright, so only 6 minutes until dawn. Alrighty then. I have to run all the way to the center, because holy crap, they're... Oh my goodness. It's getting a lot of control here, guys. Let's actually try and stop the mobs. It's not good if they go around touching our stuff here. Everyone wants they could touch our spaghettis. Alright, come on. Oh crap, Nope. Oh, come on! Oh, we are so... We cannot die right now. We are literally just surviving here. We're just hanging in here with one heart. We almost oofed right there. Come on. Can we do it? Oh, yes. Regeneration. Yes. Alright. Oh, jeez. That would have been the end of us if this were just 2 minutes ago. Wow. This is epic. Recommend teamwork. Monsters will multiply. Well, that's not good. Come on. Oh. Oh my goodness. And, alright, we lead with a score of 126. Good. Alright, how much for a new sword? 120? That's not too hard. And now we're gonna work in a complete suit of iron and with an iron sword. Brilliant. Alright. Alright, so what are we doing now? Alrighty then. So we have 4, 3, 2, and then just starts at 2 for some reason. Not sure how that works, but I guess we'll just have to roll with it. There's an iron golem here, too. Okay, we're good. No! Stop it! No! Jeez. No. Oh. Alright, ignite! Yeah, ignite. We need ignite. Yes, burn, boys. Ignite, more ignite. Wow. Just gotta be careful not to get touched by any of these mobs here. Regeneration on top of that. I think the buffs are getting a little overrated here, Lifeboat. I get that you want to help us, but we can't just, that makes the game a little easy, don't you think? Alright, area damage. Alright, never mind. Keep the buffs coming. Keep them coming, Lifeboat. Keep them coming. Alright. Let's go. Yo, wow, still more area damage. And as I say that, it's gone now, of course. And we lead with a score of 217. Amazing. Alright, so we have 124 gold. Let's get going here. 80 coins. 44 gold. Okay, good. Alright. So we're getting there, as you can see. We're getting there. Alright, so this is the last wave. I think we can do this. Will we win? I think we will. With some regeneration as well. Okay, so the health of our... We gotta defend this. Its health is 92 now. I'm gonna defend our little water tower here. 1 minute until dawn. Alright. We can do this. Alright, ignite. Yes, please. Oh, come on. How do we not die? How the heck did we not die? What is wrong? I don't know. Oh my god. We're literally lingering. Oh, we're literally just hanging by an edge here at 1 health. And false alarm. Now we're back to normal. Kind of. Oh, jeez. Unexpected. Some speed here. Let's smash some iron golem. Yeah, smash. Blam here. Blam kablam. Mobile Legends. Bang. Oh yeah, some ignite. Will we win the round? I think we'll win the round. Yeah, we're at 100. We're at 84 health, and we did it. We have done it. Anyways, that just about wraps it up for today's video. We did it. And I'll see everyone in the next one. Look at that. Look at those ranking points right there. 91 kills, 2 deaths. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing job, everyone. Amazing job. Alright, see everyone later.